Learn English with your Instill.
Hello, do you need some help?
Yes, please. This road is very busy.
Give me your arm. I will help you cross.
Thank you, young man. You are very kind.
Let's wait for the green light.
The cars are moving very fast today.
Don't worry, I am right here with you.
I am going to the grocery store.
It is just across the street. Look, the light is green now.
Let's walk slowly. My legs are tired.
Take your time. There is no hurry.
Is it safe to go now?
Yes, all the cars have stopped.
We are almost on the other side.
Here we are. We made it.
Thank you so much for your support.
It was my pleasure.
Have a wonderful day, Mark.
You too. Take care of yourself. Good morning. I have an appointment.
Hello. What's your name, please?
My name is Mark Smith.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
How long will I have to wait?
The doctor will see you in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Mark Smith, the doctor is ready.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, Mark. What's the problem?
I have a bad cough.
How long have you had it?
For about a week now.
Any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a fever too.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay. Is it high?
Yes, it's 38.5 degrees Celsius. That's high.
Should I be worried?
No, but you need rest and medicine.
What medicine should I take?
I'll give you a prescription.
How often should I take it?
Take it twice a day after meals.
For how many days?
For 5 days, then come back.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. I cannot find my keys anywhere.
Don't worry. I will help you look for them.
I am so stressed. I need to leave in 10 minutes.
When did you have them last?
I had them when I came home from work.
Did you put them on the kitchen table?
No, I already checked there twice.
Are they inside your handbag?
I looked, but I cannot see them.
Let's look under the sofa cushions.
I found a coin, but no keys.
Wait, are they in your coat pocket?
Let me check. Oh, here they are.
I am glad we found them so quickly.
Thank you, Mark. You are a lifesaver.
You should put them in the same place every day.
You are right. That is a good habit.
Now you can go to your meeting on time.
Thanks again. See you later.
Goodbye, Lisa.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.